Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to use Runway Motion Brush to control which parts move in 2026. First, open Runway in your browser and sign in to your account. After that, start a new project and upload the image you want to animate. Next, select the Motion Brush tool from the editing options. Now use the brush to paint over the areas of the image you want to move, such as hair, clouds, water, or background elements. After selecting the areas, adjust the motion direction and speed settings to control how the movement looks. You can also use different brush sizes for more accurate results. Once everything is ready, click the Generate button and wait a few seconds while Runway creates the animation. After the preview appears, review the motion effect and make any final adjustments if needed. Finally, export the video to your device and use it in your projects or social media content. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use Runway Motion Brush to control which parts move in 2026. Subscribe for more honest finance app tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching.